Very quick one. Share a devo. Share some video we net you so.
Hello. Yes, this is the state of my class. Kintampo SDA School.
A devo bra how we student at a class. Our musua de na reaching so ye to yin. Enie we are tobo asepa. Ye student yes na kwala we na wanyini be ye pani a adwen papa be na be ba nitim say oh we atefo we twen tobo ase we a classroom na tie commentary na tie ni ye
SDA School. Yeah, hello. Yes, this is the state of my class. Kintampo SDA School. Yeah, we are just taking over the whole class. Look at the students climbing on top of their decks. Yeah, some are even on top of the roof. Yeah, just to get shelter. In fact, this is disheartening. Myself, I've climbed on top of a chair and looking at it, in fact, it's not easy at all. Yeah, in fact, we are just looking for corporate body to come and assist us. The rate at which the rain is entering into our classroom is disheartening. In fact, look at how the whole place has been flooded. In fact, myself, just to take shelter, I'm on top of a chair. Yes, and then the water under it is too much. It's undescribable. In fact, the students themselves are screaming here and there, looking for shelter. In fact, we are pleading with you. All those who have the financial capability, please, we are pleading that just assist us from this mess. It is too much. It is too much. Look at the children. Some of them on top of the wall. Yes, look round. In fact, it is disheartening. This is too much for us. This is too much. SDA School. It is too much. It is too much.
Oh my God! I weep for Ghana. Zong Dominic Ba and get it. Yeah. Kofi, good morning. I am Zong Dominic and I have joined, shared, liked, commented, and now watching you from KGTia, John Mohammed Dubai. Mate. Ogidigi Kofi, your leaders nina blame Ghanaian for paying less taxes. But how can someone receive 180 Ghana cedis? Oh, my brother. Daniel Kofi Achampon, Kofi, good morning. I'm watching you live from Wellington, United States of America. Uma Amwa, Kofi, you know, say, crime you know, a from planes. Bako a very terrible. Joseph Jamra, on also the our dear Banana, Kwesi, we are taxi driver, Kofi, very serious. We have been dreadful leaders. Nana, Kwesi Ajamai emotions. Nana, and none pay me whatever. Would you 1 minute? Why a busy crowd? Would you trying Jadi away? Nabra, face beshe, Samusha TV. Where your school? Share by your school quality. Your Marcus school Kusiani, where Kwalabako, a radi Yesu, where should be the Nefa, Jesus Christ. Oh no! Hey! Hi! Kofi, Ghana new. And it's a wood tear wage now. Now you time $43 million here. The kwakote river back upemu one kind. Now you na wintimi hu adwuma eya hwe school nkwala a eti school dem baby ensuo yiri wo mofa. And this is what we have. It is so serious. Now I don't get it. Me who be that sune hwe de ensuo ni yankwala no hwe table no so na ayirama ene ayi ceiling no eya yepe. Just listen to this.
Hello. Yes, this is the state of my class. Kintampo SDA School. Yeah, we are just taking over the whole class. Look at the students climbing on top of their decks. Yeah, some are even on top of the roof. Yeah, just to get shelter. In fact, this is disheartening. Myself, I've climbed on top of a chair and looking at it, in fact, it's not easy at all. Yeah, in fact, we are just looking for corporate body to come and assist us. The rate at which the brain is entering into our classroom is disheartening. In fact, look at how the whole place has been flooded. In fact, myself, just to take shelter, I'm on top of a chair. Yes. And then the water and much is undescribable. In fact, the children themselves are screaming here and there, looking for shelter. In fact, we are pleading with you. All those who have
Observe Ahaya Akoma 87.9 FM here live on Osek Room TV. And in fact, on Facebook page, Akoma 87.9 FM. Mamen kwa so na mene Joseph Kwame Kuma, a member of parliament at the Kintampo North. Bema Kofi Asante mamen watching.
Ja, Kofi Asante.
Bibi aboko de, nyame adom ye ho ye pa.
Ewade efi vantimi so me ho ye pa.
Good. Yensaka a disturbing video of a supposed situation at Kintampo North SDA School to be precise. And Suatan Kwalano Tita ceiling so if you ready and kunyaso then Suana Triafa class where teacher errani commentary. What video ni be as MP or area holder? What is the situation? What is the situation?
Yo, Amanda Akoma FM. My chief executive no Amoma and Chimudu Belgium. I'm a Otikoko and anonymous from Kumasi. And I'm a science here. The party pending for Kumasi regional chairman of NDC and then communicators in Mina. So I'm a science here. Union MPP Amo Kumasi. And Timamufoni na. Inia. Ajuma abayabayan juma yen to aso no enu nsunsuaso no bi ne yehu no. The issue is simple. Kintampo klubia no mu no e wo sane mu. Na sane mu e wo no akwan a Excellency John Ramani Mahama ba ya no di go akwan mu. Ye sane anka ye benya drainage te say gata ani nsunsu aba ebe famu akono saade no aboye e papa o mampanyi na na dubai contractor no anka ese woto aso no me bisa me kawe with a fact because me bisa question our parliament and a road minister jitu mu say nyokore na akwan no under contract na ade na contractors na asesa mo no ma ye di omoka 2.6 billion. That means 2,600,000. Yeah, the kind of full, the contract on 26 billion. Sanity, our flow of parliamentary records down. Now, Kunu Abasano, Senye, a quantum point, if we Kumasi, and not Tichuma, Ekota Malinoa, in Audivua. And the quite a clear be that municipal assembly no and entering to change Kintampo na nti ena quantum point ka sena be sen kono so no the drainage system no esusa omo anya no sena etimi eje ensuo no sena na hondin sitie no nti problem a e work Kintampo so twemu tuturu no nti se sa no mo no be subitwa se be jaya this aquano and to us obum na ya nya good drainage system e dey ama kuno
and kwala me hwe o school structure ya apata right?
Yes.
And as a member of parliament together with the assembly, dear na mo all this one
asida Me education committee member.
Okay.
Education committee. Last session, me a statement on the floor of Parliament. Me statement, let's refocus on free compulsory universal basic education.
Okay.
Chia, yen sign coffee, yen fit ya schools, no. Na tete pasa, and yes, I had the hondi na go free senior high so. Openly, it is on record. Say, housing school deficit, basic education, dilapidated, or more captured as dilapidated structures. 5,000. 5,000. Actually, say dilapidated structure and that is the situation Ghana is facing nationwide. Pim Anamibwa.
Yeah.
I school at Daya, a bank say, utility, and I buy utility, and San Amphitheatre school, and a Daya for first and collaborating. Kintampo could be a video, no. And so
the video we watch inside Kintampo,
in the heart of Kintampo, by the SDA Central Church.
Hey.
Oh yes, my brother. We say get fun. We can get fun now. It's school at schools in Kitwana. So what you say? But get fun, you see a what? Sika you komuno. Get fun sika ne butaya omode ye no. Say you see a wama.
And to war as MP, I mean personally, your common fund near that the effort by and a move put it because this is so dangerous, sir. I mean, a very alarming sir.
A common fund saying in a eba MP ho. Common fund saying eba MP ho. Assembly agent 10 billion, meaning 15 billion in Romano. MP edge 1.5 billion. Into the assembly 150 school.
Joseph Kwame, just a minute. General Swamina Isaac Bafo, Onoye Municipal Chief Executive of Kintampo Municipal. Bema, my memo watch more Kwaba Mrakoma FM, and we watch us live on Sacrum TV. Kofi Santini, Bibi Abakodi. Okay, on the other side of the line, Member of Parliament Isaac Kuma. Na a very disturbing video. Students working Kintampo SDA nsuo eyirifa omankwala ne titai ceiling so, and they were struggling to save themselves. MC, wo won saka video ibi.
Yo, mimi ya mami na wase na mensa kwenye ifichia watifu yina na mensia media enta 87.9 one mo satisfied no no kre video na eko viral no ye one of the schools work Kintampo no war assembly no nchen wa SDA school stream C and no kre video na circulate eko viral na Kintampo any free.
Wow. Me pacho and a moment more to our afam. Why would this Nkwala life will be put at risk, sir? Hello, MC.
Yeah, the problem no, I was school now. School crano issue no. I found money in a year. Kintampo the way Kintampo no area na ye one etia no. Area no yes sloping area in Suta the whole assembly no crano ben babia and crano school no hold na in Subaho na assembly no mako 2 times the by year 2021 October no more many omokoye meeting into the middle of 2022 no na me call here because that problem no the assembly no yeah a old school block and the except a billion and a crown woman. And I insure because of the sloping and a baho in Sunu school at the fan crano blog no more. And he had decided August and the teach school dying for Amabo. I'm a head teacher on teachers in here on 3 occasions. yes, I didn't. Now, your general assembly, you call ye. The section address I made mention about the school.
May I where's the situation where has been there for years? Why I feel no more sit down? All this one so to assess why now?
No, you mean no he I'm a buy and American.
Since when have you been in office?
Yeah, almost 2 years now.
Oh, okay.
13, yeah, I came to office 13 October 2021.
Oh, okay.
So it's almost 2 years.
And since school no, and so to closing it down, and I say, Omoda Swako school to say the year.
Omoko, me to say me no ye ni say insio e beto. Omonko da classroom no. Na enkwa no mugu nko ho. Because we no send e tie na aye te pavilion no, insio no ta e back direct to the classroom.
Hey.
Enti no say nsuo no ebeto a emu na omonko dada classroom na omo nyina ko nsuo to bia omo jai nsuo to ya omo betumi aba betumi ade enti yes am ma assembly engineer no kra ko ho because of say na nsuo no gwam na blog no dia yi na ma omo ko siesie ye say na nsuo no to a ensa ni bu empra kra bi enti as assembly ya tu one among but the problem is say Kintampo na yin dreams no enya there papa.
Because that is what I see. This is a pure issue of a poor drainage system. Kintampo.
Yes.
Yes. Because showing me any direction be a echo. It just a number be a.
Yes. Ekin na send the horn no send the make am. Slope no oh yeah then even you see school no kra mo na yentimi and solve the drainage system na so problem and solve the Subeko school into the problem no say you solve drainage system na working campaign especially that end no opa assembly ni na no issue type ba ho ntino ho develop to galley amna asati ba ho ya again say pavement ho nyina but yentini and solve drainage no ye kra so kama ebema oye na ebeti 87.9 aban so sisemu no ye nyame ya adoma ye nya 7 kilometers bi amobeye a sa part ho ye de beka ho ama o masisi
collaboration been together with MP more year to ensure because when so ye NDC MP but on na wom na se bedwam one na ni road minister no Asia won so wa ban na wo so what has been the collaboration?
No, like you're saying, it's our Mbrashe Bejama or no so all fighting for the woman for Kintampo. And I also a buying also yena from dear. Because one Kintampo town and Catano, the first time I car quite cry, ye kai road, ye gusuno. A woman panico for the Bejama, ye 5 kilometers of Kintampo.
Okay.
Apart from that, ye quite dear.
Hey!
And you know, a buy we are now gusu or boss in Benya Quine.
So not even under year of roads and another than Kwakufari. Yengu Mukwan be out Kintampo da.
Yeah, Yengu, and then I make say, Techima and 10 kilometers in Cransway, the boy is there about 4 municipalities in Tampo Campo. And here, there, na ye bompire, so approve a beba. Na ye 2-1 a mobile green.
But himself, the whole Kintampo is the center and that's the middle, the pivotal point of this country. And yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A wonderful tourist place. If we are seeing now, the Ghana and Finfi, which are 360 degree now, maybe I had a compass in this, I want a Kintampo.
And this is the center of Ghana.
And this is where we are.
Yes, it's a problem. I send a mechano, because I'm buying you my Dawson.
Okay. 1 minute. MP.
Yes, sir.
I mean, my so you have no roads, you have no drainage system. Now, what time I say with your this one? And then away.
I said, I did back as a member of Parliament, MP, and I'm in Minnesota online in Suntina, Mantinan, which are on the pastor. Who beside question this collaboration then here? We collaboration power. Because the estimates were a friends and urban road that municipal urban road officer no every bread road ministry so mungu nya yetina Kintampo dana mi do hona mo ma mu so me MC so ede etu ana mo so na wono so na wo pie free hono. This is one of the way we are collaborating. 2, let the pressure air for Mososano so do so. 3, as a member of parliament, we did here on my which will be put by way of question. Anytime I make 2 question money, Minister of Rules, and will be a dance say now annual contract. I had the contract I look at 26 billion. That's 2,600,000. And I'm up and to us and to us. So yeah, me playing Minister of Rules and do now what by parliament and then you will be to you call in check tonight. You can't just say minister. You will be a few like Kintampo because Kintampo no done in 19 and it is one of the oldest municipalities. So you're the oldest municipality and not just later. It is the one. So what I say. If you never say we are seeing 19 and you're gonna go it is the center of the world. Kintampo
for what I know is Ghana.
Yes, but it is the center of the world. This confirmation is giving me.
The center of the world tema baby Anka Kwame Nkrumah AC sa Meridian Mall.
There's an argument on it.
Okay.
I'm putting it on record. So it's the center of the world. Why? A tourist move from London and came down. In fact, this is confirmed to me by a very renowned personality, me a judicial committee member. They call your friends, you call Chief Justice for visitation. Internationally, I'm able to say the center of Ghana MP. No, anyone can tell me say you can even say you are the center of the world MP because when you have a visitor who came from outside to go to Kintampo specifically because of that, which you know, until many panel area research, until that is on that brain, no in free room and Kasa will call the center of the world. One fan Kotema, Kintampo and now also say. So what I say, be it Tema, be it Kintampo, is the center of our nation. The national capital in future. Okay. That is also that is what is happening to that place.
Okay, 1 minute. My main MC, many about 4. And Okresa me awarded mu roots no and John Dramani Mahama na ben by on to us.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Netene say Dunia MP kasi award ya award sign fan na ya award but be a problem na sing ya award na sign. Because hono bibia di wa ya ye chese ya ye bibia o na bye e that place bi na omo ye gates eno wo NPS ne patapa tin ho baby but bia we le siri dia ya ho nkan
okay
5 kilometers are no kan ho nkan
but the other road no mo award e no omo atoaso omo agai ana akwesi say
no babia na okano me mahuni se babia fe continuation check na me say eno no kre gata wo ho na omo ye gata ena dada one patapa road eno two ena mahu it is no ma wo do bia na omo fisi na ye aban soba ye mahuni se ono so toaso aye but the problem is babia problem na ka si aye face problem kese no eno na ye soro ho no Kintampo problem na ye babia se school no ayi na esi no oh yeah, then you know so problem. You call it down one cry na no my word na so problem no.
And to baby I award no omo maba toaso. MC.
Yes sir.
Area na the previous government award the contract na ben buy wa be toaso a.
Yes, and make us say ya the waka aye 7 kilometers aban no so no e pese o sign repackage no award no for no. Your contractor no ama me yejuma no nfidi egusu kura o wa wantini ama me yejuma no.
Oh okay.
So send na waka no wantini anye yeah.
Okay, I need to wrap up with you. MP kwano aban repackage.
Maminda mini ase ni argument on award and not a non-award. Mini anka say introduce Efreba big gruma line. When you na jacket need graveling echo so fe. What I say? Continuation send your bono. Contractor no. So you say contractor be a year juma step by step. So what I say? The be a year car you na no. Neka ho. I know the contractor's name. Apart from that, the truth about the matter is that if this minister on the floor of parliament, you know, one say, yeah, the contractor, and I'm saying, I was a son in Roma. You piano, what you say? 20,600,000. Sorry, 2 point, yes, that what you say of Ghana cities. 26 billion. Young man is coming. Now, better than what was so. Minimum na Kintampo and yes, yet the assembly to be so. This is on records in parliament. And I Kintampo my interview, I made one more granting is at a mere Kintampo radio stations in our case at interview. We say, yet to book us some. And like Kintampo, you can go to those places or my and contract also want to be one to us let drainage system now meaning can say we are all talking about the same thing.
Okay, Isaac Bafo Ambiao MC more a very nice tourist site a Kintampo waterfalls. I mean if you are seeing Baho Ghana and I'm going to move to leverage on that. Now they are urge development.
One no, as I'm speaking to you, no, you're ne DT for collaborate here. Kintampo waterfalls now. Bahoa, it's a new face later. How Akoma, you develop Akoma. That side that you know. Apart from that, if you have about 3 tourist sites, oh yes, you develop waterfalls. Center of Ghana now mention you know August year, mention you develop on the camera. And now you walk. Since lifting by no so ever I say Nina no rose Nina yet. Kunsi ho say no say entity and yakwana would develop a crowd amount for to link or backward road very bad. A buying so the Nina bar a kind to say who are aquano, ye bay. And can you hear plan say 7 kilometers now by a repackage of percent or the marking tampono. Ye now know your bonfire say a buying contract to approve of a bar. Nah.
Bema na meet you.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Hali. Okay. MP, Mamena was say I think cell line no is not the best. MP, thank you very much for the time. Yes. Of course.
I'm saying,
correct.
And I will be a question. The year of rules and
thank you very much. Video I will share that is the reaction. Jimmy, a quick one now, young address to the